Hello, my YouTube friends! In today's video, we'll be drawing using just a pencil. All you have to do is follow the instructions that will appear throughout the video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help. Let's get started. Before we continue, if you haven't subscribed yet, now is the perfect time. Subscribe so you never miss any of my future drawing tutorials. Now let's keep drawing. Have you finished your drawing? I'd love to see it. Send it to my Facebook page, which is on the screen right here. The best drawings are featured in my upcoming videos, just like the one you're seeing today. I can't wait to see your artwork. Now tell me in the comments, which character would you like to learn to draw next? I read every comment, and many of your suggestions become future tutorials on this channel. And here's the final result. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and share it with your friends so more people can learn to draw. May God bless you today, tomorrow, and always. Bye-bye.